Alright, I've been requested to do this video now, so I'm going to put it out there. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you how you can host your Discord bots 24/7 until 22 days later you've got to redo it all again on Heroku, or however you say it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from once you set the bot up, so you've got the basic Discord bot where you can host it on your PC, and I'll teach you how you can create your Discord bot. So I'm going to go onto my VM now, alright? So, and I'm going to open up a bot which I have used just for random stuff. I'm not sure how good the quality is going to be because I'm going to be redoing stuff on my PC soon. I'll do a video on that soon. So let me just open up bot tests. I'll just use this for random stuff. This one should be hosting on here. So this will be that one, which will go offline soon. It probably does go offline if I type help. It should not reply back because it's offline. So let me just put it back online manually. So now that'll be online. This is how basic people have their bot online when they're using it during the day. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to grab the folder and we're going to stick it in one area. You're going to download GitHub Desktop. So this is where you can, it's just GitHub, so yeah. My English is really good today. So we're going to create a new repository name. So let's just call it bots test. So you can call this whatever you like. This can be what your bot is called, and then you're going to hit create repository, whatever it's called. And we're going to go to where it's located. So this is going to be in your documents, GitHub. And you can see it's created us a nice folder, what we called it. So if we open that up, we're going to copy in bot tests. I'm going to copy all that inside there. If we skip the file, because that is how it's wanting it to be set up. Alright, so now we can close this, because this is not where we're going to locate it anymore now. So this folder is no longer in use. You can in fact delete it. So let's just delete it. So now let's open up Visual Studio Code and let's open where this folder is located. So documents, GitHub, bot tests, that one, select folder. Alright, so we've now got the location of where it's set up. So let's just now host the bot online. So let's just go node dot, and the bot will be online. If we have a look, it is online. If I type plus help, it's online. So the way we know that this bot is going to be online is if it will say this twice. So if you have two, I don't have much to say right now, or whatever you've got as your command help or whatever commands you've made, this is where you can find out if your bot is online 24/7, because it's being hosted in Heroku and it's being hosted on your desktop. So let's go back to my VM right here. We're going to go to Heroku now, personal, here we go. So what we're going to go to is new, create new app. Let's call this tutorial, if I can spell, tutorial YouTube thing. Lovely. I'm Europe. Good on the British. So now we need to find our where we've saved it. So I'm going to connect to my GitHub. As you can see, it's seeing what my GitHub account is, and we're going to search it. Why is that not coming up now as DBFS was made? I don't know why, I've been so dumb. You need to publish this. Just put something random in there. You need to publish this, so then it's now saved onto your GitHub. I'm actually not very well at the minute, so I'm surprised I'm doing a video. Just click publish repository. I'm just going to call it that. And now it should be saved onto our GitHub account. So you can have a look at this if you can sign into GitHub. GitHub. I also recommend you using a virtual machine when doing all of this stuff. As you can see, it's there now. I recommend you use a virtual machine when creating your Discord bots and hosting your Discord bots. This is just because it is all out of the way on your main desktop. You don't have scripts and JavaScripts and GitHub repositories and all sorts of stuff. You have it on your virtual machine, which is stored out of the way on your PC. So let's go back to here now. If we search it again, it should come up. Lovely. So we're going to connect to it. Just like that. I would recommend you enable the automatic deploys, because if you have any updates which you've done, then it'll do it automatically. So let's go to settings. Let's go to reveal config vars. Let's type in token, and then this is where you type in your token. I don't care if you see the token. I'm going to renew it soon. So you type in your token there, and that's now added. Alright, so now if we deploy it, it should come up with loads of random scripts, stuff, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, you just got to wait for it to load. It shouldn't take too long depending on how quick your computer is. As I said, if you have any other issues, please DM me. If I don't reply, it's because I've got my GCSEs this year and I don't want to be bugged with this stuff as well. So this is why I'm doing a YouTube video, so I don't get told anymore on stuff. So now if we head to resources, you should see nothing at the minute. So if we hit F5, hopefully there'll be two things, which there is. You disable that, you enable that, just like so. So now if we head back to our Discord and we type +help, actually let's do a different command so we know that it works. It should do it twice. There we go. It's done it twice. So now this should be online 24/7. So now what we can do is we can go and close this, close that. In fact, I'll just shut this PC down so then I can prove to you that it is not online. I've not got it hosted manually anymore. And yes, let's now go back to the Discord server and let's type +help. It should work, and there you go. It is now online 24/7. This will be online for 22 days, I believe. If we just quickly check, let's go to how long can you host your Discord bot on Heroku. I believe it's 22 days, but I could be wrong. Many days till I have to renew Heroku. I believe it's 22 days. You get here we go. So you got 553 hours on Dino, and then you have to create your new account again. So you'd have to delete your account, and then you'd have to add it in again. So this would be quite annoying, but you've got 553 hours, which is the equivalent, I can't do maths out at the minute, in days. So that's about 22 days, as I said. So you've got 22 days until you have to renew the account, which doesn't take too long, as I've just done it in this video. I think that's it. It's still online. Let's type +ping, and it's online. My PC is off. I can prove to you now it is off. Let me just drag it because it's gone on my other screen. There you go, it's off. That is my VM, which has all my stuff on. So I think that's everything, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, you can do. If I find any updates on hosting your bot 24/7, I might do a video, but I might not at the same time. I need to do some credits as well, because I was shown how to do this by a guy called XD Sprox. So he's a guy who creates Discord bots. I'll put links in the description for his videos, his Discord bots, and his servers as well. I'll also put GitHub links, Heroku links, and all the documentation for what you need. But yes, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please do let me know. If I don't reply, do not ping me in my DMs, as I will just block you. But yes, I'll see you later, guys. Peace.